Welcome to techxlovers. Weapon storage, creative and secret hacks. Vaultec DS2i Smart Stations. The Vaultec DS2i Smart Station is a next-generation smart safe that combines modern upgrades with a premium safe technology. It features top-mounted wireless charging pad, USB-C, accessories, charging ports, and a sleek, customizable LED display showing time, temperatures, humidity. The safe also has a built-in biometric scanners, Smart Says digital keypad, and NanoKey 2.0 for quick and secure access. Bluetooth 2.0 allows you to manage and monitor safe activity from your smartphone. Anti-theft features include a signature's anti-impact latch design, anti-break instructions, and included HD steel security cable. The safe has exterior dimensions of 12.125 by 8.25 by 3 and interior dimensions of 9 by 7.5 by 1.5, making it ideal for storing a full-size pistol, jewelry, small documents, and other personal belongings. The Vaultec DS2i Smart Station is a great choice for anyone looking for a secure and convenient way to store their valuables. It is perfect for use in home, business, and RVs. SentrySafe QAP2EL XL. The SentrySafe QAP2EL XL is a quick access electronic pistol safe that provides secure storage for 2 standard handguns or 1 larger pistol and extra ammunitions. It features a pressure-resistant door and solid steel constructions for strength and security against unauthorized access to firearms. The QAP2EL XL features a compression gas strut that opens the door silently and holds it open for single-handed access. It also has a digital keypad with the programmable combinations and an interior LED light for visibility in dimly lit LED environments. It is also California Dodge certified. It comes with an override key for convenient backup access. It is also backed by SentrySafe lifetime warranty. Vaultec MX Series Pistol Safe. The Vaultec MX Series Pistol Safe is a great choice for storing your firearm safely and securely. It features a variety of safety features, including a biometric scanner for quick and easy access, keypad for backup access, and a nano key for even more convenient access. MX Series Pistol Safe also has a number of anti-thief features such as a signature, anti-impact latch designs, anti-break instructions, and included HD steel security cables. In addition to its safety features, the MX Series Pistol Safe is also very convenient to use. The biometric scanners allow you to open the safe with your fingerprint in seconds. And the keypad is backfilled for easy access in low light conditions, so the safe also has an auto-open door features that will automatically open the door when you approach it with your nano key. 1410M Tactical Wall Clock. The 1410M Tactical Wall Clock is a surface-mounted, not-locking home defense solutions for hiding your handgun in plain sight. It is a functional, attractive clock with a hidden compartment and behind the face that can be accessed by pushing on the 12 o'clock position. The hidden compartment is large enough to store a full-size handgun and ammunition. The Tactical Wall Clock is made from lightweight US source ABS plastic and is available to frogs with a grain finish for a stylish black copper. It is easy to install and comes with all accessories hardware. Quick Vent. The Quick Vent is a wall safe disguised as a staggered pressure's return vent. It is designed to blend in seamlessly with your license or take car, making it a great choice for discreet storage of valuables. The Quick Vent is made of a high, heavy gauge steel and features a pressure-resistant door and an anti-impact latch. It also includes a built-in reflect lock that can be programmed with up to 12 unique keys. To access the contents of the Quick Vent and simply touch and authorize RFID key to the sensor. The door will open that up automatically, giving you quick and easy access to your valuables. It is a great choice for storing a variety of items, including firearms, jewelry, documents, and more. And it is also a good option for storing valuables in commercial settings such as offices and retail stores. V-Line SRD Wall. The V-Line SRD Wall is a quick access security wall designed specifically for law enforcement agencies, which features a high security electronic lock with a master and single-use code and can be mounted horizontally and vertically. Adjustable quick release, the strap secured the firearms against a high-density foam liner and a mold panel board fitted to the LED. Later allow for better utilization of space for storing clips and other tactical equipment. The V-Line SRD Wall is made of 14 gauge steel with a hand aids of added strength and has a 3-point locking system for additional anti-pry system, so the strength is above. Pre-drilled holes in the back of the wall allow for mounting on a wall, or a wall can be mounted on secure horizontal surface. The gas arrest assistor damper shock allows for a safer closing of the lid. Under-seat pickup truck locking gun cabinet. Under-seat pickup truck locking gun cabinet is a safe and secure way to store your firearms in your vehicle. These cabinets are typically made of heavy gauge steel and features a variety of security features such as prey-resistant doors and anti-impact latches. Many cabinets also have a built-in locking mechanism such as key locks or electronic lock. Under-seat pickup truck locking gun cabinets are designed to fit under the back seat of your truck, making them a convenient and out-of-the-way storage option. So these cabinets are typically hold 1 or 2 firearms as well as ammunition and the other accessories. If you're looking for a safe and convenient way to store your firearms in your vehicles, then an under-seat pickup truck locking gun cabinet is a great option. Toyota Hilux. The Toyota Hilux is a popular pickup truck that is known for its durability and off-road capabilities. However, it is also a popular target for thieves, making it important to take steps to protect your vehicle and your belongings. One way to do this is a lockable hidden gun compartment in your Hilux. There are a number of different companies that manufacture lockable hidden gun compartments for the Toyota Hilux. These compartments come in a variety of shapes and sizes, so you can choose on one of the best suits and your needs. So, some compartments are designed to your needs according to your needs. Compartments are designed to fit under the seat, while others are designed to fit in the glove box or center console. Once you have chosen a lockable hidden gun compartment for your Toyota Hilux, you will need to reinstall it. Your compartment comes with a detailed installation instructions. It is important to follow these instructions carefully to ensure that the compartment is installed properly and securely. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Subscribe to Xlovers.